यहाँ पर आपको एजुकेशन, एक्सप्लेनेशन, टॉप 10 क्वेश्चंस, इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस और एग्जाम्स के मुताबिक न्यू अपडेट्स मिलती रहेंगी।
My dear students, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be explaining the BCA first semester subject Programming in C as prescribed by Osmania University and other universities of Telangana. We will go through the important questions and answers one by one. Let's begin with a quick revision. Unit 4 first important short question is: define pointers, write syntax and example. Pointers in C. A pointer is a special variable that stores the address of another variable instead of storing a value directly. Pointers are very important in C because they help in efficient memory usage, arrays, strings, and functions. Syntax of pointer declaration: data underscore type asterisk pointer underscore name tells the compiler that this variable is a pointer. Pointer underscore name stores the address of another variable. Example program: hash include stdio.h. int main. int a is equal to 10. int asterisk p, pointer declaration. p is equal to and a, storing address of a. Printf, value of a is equal to %d backslash n a. Printf, address of a is equal to %p backslash n p. Printf, value using pointer is equal to %d backslash n asterisk p. Return 0. Explanation: and a gives the address of a. P gives the value stored at that address. Tip to remember: think of a pointer like a house address. Variable house. Pointer address of the house. Using pointers makes C powerful, fast, and flexible. Next important short question is: 2. Pointers to pointers in C. A pointer to pointer is a pointer that stores the address of another pointer. In simple words, it is a double pointer. It is used when we need multiple levels of memory access, especially in dynamic memory, arrays of strings, and function arguments. Syntax: data underscore type asterisk asterisk pointer underscore name. First asterisk pointer. Second asterisk pointer to another pointer. Example program: hash include stdio.h. int main. int a is equal to 10. int asterisk p is equal to and a, pointer to integer. int asterisk asterisk pp is equal to and p, pointer to pointer. Printf, value of a is equal to %d backslash n a. Printf, value using p is equal to %d backslash n asterisk p. Printf, value using pp is equal to %d backslash n asterisk asterisk pp. Return 0. Explanation: p stores the address of a. pp stores the address of p. pp gives the value of a. Tip to remember: think of it like this. A room. P key to the room. pp key to the key. This makes pointers easy to understand and remember in C programming. Next important short question is: 3. What is L value and R value? L value and R value in C. In C language, L value and R value describe how a variable is used in an expression. L value, left value. An L value represents a memory location. It can appear on the left side of an assignment and its value can be changed. Example: int a is equal to 10. A is equal to 20, A is an L value. Here, A refers to a memory location where values are stored. R value, right value. An R value represents a value or data. It appears on the right side of an assignment and cannot be assigned a new value. Example: int b is equal to a plus 5. A plus 5 is an R value. A plus 5 is a value, not a storage location. Important point. L value has an address in memory. R value does not have a memory address. Tip to remember. Think like this. L value is equal to locker, place to store. R value is equal to item, stored inside. This simple idea makes L value and R value easy to remember for exams and programming. Next important short question is 4. What are void pointers? Void pointers in C. A void pointer is a special type of pointer that can store the address of any data type. It is also called a generic pointer because it is not associated with any specific data type. Syntax. Void * pointer underscore name. Example program. Hash include stdio.h. int main. int a is equal to 10. Float b is equal to 5.5. Void * p. p is equal to and a. Print integer value is equal to %d\n asterisk int * p. p is equal to and b. Print float value is equal to %.1f\n asterisk float * p. Return 0. Explanation. P stores address of both int and float. Typecasting is needed to access the value. Important points. Void pointers cannot be directly dereferenced. Typecasting is compulsory before using them. Useful in functions like malloc. Tip to remember. Think of a void pointer like a universal charger. One charger fits many devices. One void pointer fits many data types. Void pointers make C flexible and powerful, especially in advanced programming. Next important short question is 5. What are pointers to functions? Pointers to functions in C. A function pointer is a pointer that stores the address of a function instead of a variable. Using function pointers, we can call functions indirectly, which is useful in menus, callbacks, and dynamic program execution. Syntax. Return _type, * pointer _name, parameter _list. Example program. Hash include stdio.h. int add, int a, int b. Return a plus b. int main. int *fp, int function pointer. fp is equal to add, assign function address. Print sum is equal to %d, fp, 10, 20 function call using pointer. Return 0. Explanation. fp stores the address of add. fp, 10, 20 calls the add function. Uses of function pointers. Implementing menu-driven programs. Callback functions. Used in sorting and operating system functions. Tip to remember. Think of a function pointer like a remote control. Remote function pointer. Button press function call. This makes function pointers easy to understand and remember in C programming. Next important short question is 6. C strings. In C language, a string is a collection of characters stored in an array, and it ends with a special character \0 called the null character. This null character tells the compiler where the string ends. Syntax. Char string _name, size. Example program. Hash include stdio.h. int main. Char name, 20, is equal to India. Print country name, %s, name. Return 0. Explanation. Each character is stored separately. \0 is added automatically at the end. Common string functions. String finds length. strcpy copies string. Strcat joins strings. strcmp compares strings. Example using function. Print length is equal to %d string name. Tip to remember. Think of a C string like a train. Each character is a coach. \0 is the last stop. Without the last stop, the train doesn't know where to stop. Strings are very important in text processing and real-life programs like names, messages, and passwords. Next unit 4. Long questions. First important long question is 1. Pointers for interfunction communication in C. In C programming, pointers are widely used to communicate data between functions efficiently. This is called interfunction communication. Using pointers, a function can modify the value of variables from another function or return multiple values, which is not possible with normal call by value. Why use pointers? 1. Memory efficiency. Instead of passing large data like arrays, we pass the address, saving memory. 2. Modify original data. Functions can change the original value of variables. 3. Multiple outputs. Pointers allow functions to return more than one value. Example 1. Swapping to numbers using pointers. Hash include stdio.h. Void swap, int *x, int *y. Int temp. Temp is equal to *x. X is equal to *y. Y is equal to temp. Int main. Int a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. Print, before swap, a is equal to %d, b is equal to %d \n, a, b. Swap, and a, and b, passing addresses. Print, after swap, a is equal to %d, b is equal to %d \n, a, b. Return 0. Explanation. Swap takes addresses of a and b. X and *y axes and modify the original values. Result values of a and b are swapped outside the function. Example 2. Modifying array elements. Hash include stdio.h. Void add-in, int *r, int size. For int I is equal to 0, I size, I++. I plus is equal to 10. Int main. Int numbers, 5, is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add-in numbers, 5. For int I is equal to 0, I5, I++, print %d, numbers, I. Return 0. Explanation. Numbers array is passed as a pointer. Function directly modifies the original array. Tip to remember. Think of pointers like remote controls. Remote pointer. TV original variable. Pressing buttons via remote changes the TV, just like a function can modify original data via pointers. Pointers make interfunction communication powerful, efficient, and flexible, especially when dealing with arrays, strings, or large data. Understanding this concept is key to mastering C programming. Next important long question is 2. Memory allocation functions in detail. Memory allocation functions in C. In C, dynamic memory allocation allows programs to allocate memory at runtime instead of a fixed size at compile time. This is done using pointers and memory allocation functions from the stdlib.h library. Dynamic memory is stored in the heap. Main memory allocation functions. 1. Malloc, memory allocation. Allocates memory for a specified number of bytes. Returns a void pointer. Syntax. ptr is equal to cast type *, malloc, size _in_bytes. Example. int asterisk ptr. ptr is equal to int asterisk malloc 5 asterisk size of int allocates memory for 5 integers. 2 calloc contiguous allocation allocates memory for n elements and initializes all to 0. Syntax. ptr is equal to cast type asterisk calloc n size underscore of underscore each underscore element. Example. int asterisk ptr. ptr is equal to int asterisk calloc 5 size of int 5 integers initialized to 0. 3 realloc reallocation resizes previously allocated memory block. Useful if memory requirement changes during runtime. Syntax. ptr is equal to cast type asterisk realloc ptr new underscore size. Example. ptr is equal to int asterisk realloc ptr 10 asterisk size of int resize to 10 integers. 4 free memory releases memory allocated by malloc, calloc or realloc. Prevents memory leaks. Syntax. Free ptr. Example program. Hush include stdio.h. Hush include stdlib.h. int main. int asterisk ptr is equal to int asterisk malloc 3 asterisk size of int. For int I is equal to 0, I3, I++, ptr I is equal to I plus 1. ptr is equal to int asterisk realloc ptr 5 asterisk size of int. ptr 3 is equal to 4 ptr 4 is equal to 5. For int I is equal to 0, I5, I++, print %d ptr I. Free ptr. Return 0. Output 1 2 3 4 5. Tip to remember. Think of dynamic memory as renting space in a hotel. Malloc book rooms. Calloc book rooms with clean beds, initialized to 2000. Realloc add more rooms if needed. Free checkout and release rooms. Dynamic memory functions make C flexible and memory efficient, essential for real-world programs like data structures, strings, and arrays. Next important long question is 3. Command line arguments in C. Command line arguments allow a C program to accept input from the user at the time of running the program instead of asking for input during execution. This makes programs flexible and interactive. The main function is modified to take arguments. int main, int argc, char asterisk rgv. Explanation of parameters. 1. Argc, argument count. Stores the number of arguments passed including the program name. 2. RGV, argument vector. Array of pointers to strings containing each argument. RGV 0, program name. RGV 1, first argument, and so on. Example program. Hush include stdio.h. Hush include stdlib.h. int main, int argc, char asterisk rgv. If argc is equal to 3. Print usage dot program num1 num2 \n. Return 1. int num1 is equal to atoi rgv 1 convert string to integer. int num2 is equal to atoi rgv 2. Print sum is equal to %d \n num1 plus num2. Return 0. Explanation. Argc ensures that two numbers are provided. RGV 1 and RGV 2 are converted from string to integer using atoi. Program prints the sum of two numbers. Command to run. Program 1020. Output. Sum is equal to 30. Advantages of command line arguments. 1. No need for runtime input, faster execution. 2. Flexible programs can accept different inputs each time. 3. Useful in scripts, automation, and testing. Tip to remember. Think of command line arguments like ordering food online. The restaurant program does not ask you while cooking. You give instructions upfront, arguments. Program prepares output based on your instructions. Command line arguments are powerful for writing dynamic and reusable C programs, especially when handling files, data processing, or batch jobs. Next important long question is 4. String input-output functions in C. In C programming, strings are arrays of characters ending with a null character \0. To handle strings, C provides several input-output functions. Using these functions, we can read and display strings easily. 1. Gets function, input string. Reads a line of text including spaces until the enter key is pressed. Syntax. Char str 50. Gets str. Example. Hash include stdio.h. int main. Char name 50. Printf, enter your name. Gets name. Printf, hello, %s name. Return 0. Output. Enter your name, Ravi Kumar. Hello, Ravi Kumar. Note gets is unsafe as it may cause buffer overflow. Use FGTS instead. 2. Puts function output string. Displays a string followed by a new line. Syntax. Puts str. Example. Char name 50 is equal to India. Puts name output India. 3. Scanf for strings. Can read a string without spaces. Syntax. Scanf %s str. Example. Char city 20. Scanf %s city input Delhi. Printf city %s city. 4. FGTS for safer input. Reads a line of text safely including spaces. Syntax. FGTS str size stdin. Example. Char address 50. FGTS address 50 stdin. Puts address. Tip to remember. Think of strings as a train of characters. Gets read whole train. Scanf %s read first coach only. Puts display train. Using these string input-output functions is essential for text processing, names, messages, and file handling in C. These functions, combined with pointers, make string handling flexible and powerful for students learning C. Next important long question is 5. Explain array of pointers with example. Array of pointers in C. An array of pointers is an array in which each element is a pointer. This means each element stores the address of a variable or data instead of a value. It is very useful when dealing with strings, dynamic arrays, or lists of variables. Why use array of pointers? 1. Efficient memory usage. Instead of copying large data, we store addresses. 2. Can point to different data types using void pointers. 3. Useful for strings. We can store multiple strings without creating a 2D array. Syntax. Data underscore type asterisk array underscore name size indicates it is a pointer. Each element of the array stores an address. Example, array of pointers to strings. Hash include stdio.h. int main. Char asterisk fruits is equal to apple, mango, banana, orange. int n is equal to 4. Print fruits list \n. For int I is equal to 0, in I plus plus. Print %s\n, fruits, I accessing string using pointer. Return 0. Explanation. Fruits is an array of pointers to strings. Each element like fruits, 0, stores the address of the string apple. Print %s, fruits, I, prints the string using the pointer. Advantages. 1. Saves memory compared to 2D character arrays. 2. Easy to pass multiple strings to functions. 3. Flexible for dynamic content. Tip to remember. Think of an array of pointers like a row of mailboxes. Each mailbox pointer, address. The letter inside actual value. You can access any letter quickly using its mailbox. Keynote. Commonly used for list of names, file paths, and menu items. Combine with functions to create powerful programs. Array of pointers is an efficient and flexible way to handle multiple data items, especially strings, making it a favorite tool in C programming for students preparing for exams and real-world coding. Next important long question is 6. Program demonstrating array of strings in C. An array of strings in C is essentially an array of pointers, where each pointer points to a string, a sequence of characters. It is useful for storing multiple words, names, or sentences efficiently. Why use array of strings? 1. Can store multiple strings in a single array. 2. Memory efficient compared to 2D character arrays. 3. Easy to access and manipulate individual strings. Syntax. Char asterisk array underscore name, size, is equal to string 1, string 2. Example program. Hash include stdio.h. int main. Array of strings. Char asterisk cities is equal to Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai. int n is equal to 4. Print list of cities \n. For int I is equal to 0, in I plus plus. Print %s\n, cities, I print each string. Return 0. Output. List of cities. Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai. Explanation. 1. Cities is an array of pointers to strings. 2. Each element like cities, 0, stores the address of the string Delhi. 3. The for loop iterates over all strings and prints them using %s. Advantages. 1. Memory efficient, stores addresses, not entire arrays of characters. 2. Flexible, easy to pass array of strings to functions. 3. Useful for menus, names list, or any collection of words. Tip to remember. Think of an array of strings like a row of lockers. Each locker pointer. Letter inside locker string. You can open any locker to see the word inside. Using array of strings makes programming in C simple and powerful, especially when handling lists, text data, or user inputs. For students, it's a common and important topic for exams and practicals. Next important long question is 7. Explain string manipulation using library functions. String manipulation using library functions in C. In C programming, strings are arrays of characters ending with a null character \0. The C standard library string.h provides many built-in functions to manipulate strings easily. These functions help with copying, joining, comparing, and finding the length of strings. Common string functions. 1. String finds the length of a string. Char str is equal to India. Print length is equal to %lu, string str output 5. 2. strcpy copies one string into another. Char src is equal to hello. Char dest 20. strcpy dest src. Printf %s dest output hello. 3. Stricat concatenates joins two strings. Char str1 20 is equal to hello. Char str2 is equal to world. Stricat str1 str2. Printf %s str1 output hello world. 4. strcmp compares to strings. Char str1 is equal to apple. Char str2 is equal to orange. If strcmp str1 str2 is equal to 0. Printf strings are equal. Else. Printf strings are different output strings are different. 5. strncpy and stancat safe versions that limit characters to avoid overflow. Example program. Hush include stdio.h. Hush include string.h. int main. Char str1 20 is equal to India. Char str2 is equal to is great. Printf length of str1 %lu \n string str1. Stricat str1 str2. Printf concatenated string %s \n str1. Char str3 20. strcpy str3 str1. Printf copied string %s \n str3. Return 0. Output length of str1 5. Concatenated string India is great. Copied string India is great. Tip to remember. Think of string functions as tools in a toolkit. String measuring tape, find length. strcpy copier machine. Stricat glue to join strings. strcmp weighing scale compare. Using these library functions, string manipulation becomes easy and safe, which is essential for text processing, messages, names, and real-life applications in C programming.